Hi guys, welcome back to the channel again. Have you guys heard about 0% interest rates? That's right, 0% interest rates. I'm sure you've heard about it. I wanted to cover those details today to let you know what the real story, what the real truth is on those. So here's how it works, guys. Did the Fed lower the rates to 0%? Yes. The short answer is yes, they did. But here's the problem. They lowered them on short-term loans, such as like overnight rates for like banks and things like that put their money in overnight for different things. That's what they lowered to 0% or 0.26% for most of them. That's what it is. Unfortunately, it's not mortgage rates. But the good news is that does affect slightly to the mortgage rates. So it did lower the rates on the mortgage rates for you to really an all-time low. But here's the other but, because of the volume that it has created. So in the industry, there's typically around $2 billion a year in mortgages that are done. Well, in the last 30 to 45 days, because of these rate drops and stuff that have lowered them, there's been $1.73 billion of loans that have been requested for either a refinance or new purchases. So because of that, what's happened is the rates have actually gone up. So they've gone up about 1% or this last week. And some days they went up 1% and then they came back down. But nonetheless, rates are really, really low. It's really hard to give you guys, oh, here's what the rates are, right? Because we don't know exactly. It's all based on every single property. Everything is different. So each property, each buyer is different. So depending on credit scores, depending on the purchase price of the house, depending on how much money you put down on the house, depending on your assets, depending on your job, are you a 1099 employee, are you a W-2 employee? All of those things affect the rates. And of course, it also changes too if you're a 15-year loan, a 20, a 30-year loan, FHA, conventional, VA, all of those are different. So it's really hard for us to give you guys, here's what the rates are, right? We can't say they're 3% or whatever it is, but rates are all the way down into the 2% range. I think I saw one earlier today that was like at 2.6%. That was for 15-year conventional financing. Of course, I think credit scores were above 740 points and 20% down, so at 2.66. So that's the lowest that I've seen up to this point. But here's the good news. You can continue process through purchasing a new home. You're good, right? That's fine. Rates are going to be what they are. They're still going to be really low. But if you're going to be refinancing your home or your investment homes, like I'm going to be doing here pretty soon, if you wait for the next, say, 30 to 45 days or so, let the volume kind of slow down, let these lenders catch up because they're just buried right now. They are the busiest in the industry ever. Of any job right now, they are absolutely crazy busy, besides of course probably security. Security is probably pretty busy right now. But nonetheless, mortgages, lenders are just crazy busy. So just wait for about 30 to 45 days. Rates are not going to be skyrocketing back up, right? They're going to kind of stay low. It'll allow these lenders to catch up with the volume that they've got currently. And then as they get caught up, then we'll be able to get better rates on stuff. So that's what I'm going to do for my personal properties as well. So my personal residence and all my investments, I'm going to wait about 30 to 45 days. Then I'm going to call the lenders and I'm going to go in and refinance them. Here's another little tip too. If you're going to refinance, call the lender that has the loan for you now and ask them if they will do a refi, because that's what I did. I called them versus calling my lender. The lender or the mortgage person that actually, the mortgage company, not person, the mortgage company that has my loan currently told me only $1,100 to refinance them. When I called my mortgage lender broker, he said it was going to be around $1,600. So about what, $500 difference. And also they gave me a better rate too. So the mortgage broker had quoted me, and of course this was about 2 weeks ago, and I think again they'll come down a little bit. He quoted me 3.3% on my personal home, and when I called the actual mortgage holder, they quoted me 2.99. So call them once you're ready to refinance, but again, wait for about 30 to 45 days and then call them. But if you're gonna purchase a house, now is a great time. Some people are a little nervous from this coronavirus thing, and they're putting houses on the market. Some people are not looking because they're, again, kind of nervous about it. So now is a fantastic time. Get out there. You may not have to compete with as many people. So get out there and purchase a house now. But be safe, guys. Make sure, wear gloves, wash your hands, whatever you need to do to make sure that you are safe out there. Social distancing as well, right? Six feet away is what they're telling people. I don't want anybody to get sick, so make sure you take precautions. But definitely get out there, take a look at houses, get a contract going, get it accepted. Now is a great time to buy. And like I said, with rates as low as they are, fantastic. But again, bad news, rates are not zero, but great rates nonetheless. So again, thanks a lot, guys, for watching. First link down below here is going to be the free Facebook group. Definitely join it so we can chat a little bit more one-on-one, ask me whatever questions. Feel free to comment on the video below. I try to answer as many of those as I possibly can too. And of course, give us a thumbs up too. We have more content coming. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Thanks again for watching.